How to convert YouTube video to audio in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to convert YouTube video to audio in Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to simply launch YouTube Studio and download the video from there. And once you have downloaded the necessary video, you need to launch the Files Manager or Files app on your device. From here, you need to simply locate the downloaded video. So you can go ahead and tap internal storage at bottom left and open movies folder. So basically the downloaded video will be located at movies section. It might be different for you as well. Open it and locate the video. So as you can see that we have successfully found the video. In order to change it to audio, you need to tap three dots and tap rename option. Now you simply need to delete this MP4 and write it as MP3 and tap OK button and select rename. After that, you need to open it and check. You can see that we have successfully converted YouTube video to audio in Android. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.